Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on the Makeup Revolution highlighting palette. So this is how it looks like. It comes in a beautiful rose gold packaging. I really love rose gold packaging. So they have around 2 or 3 variants of this highlighters. So this is in the variant Radiance, and it says Radiant Lights palette, 3 Radiant Lights highlighters. So they have the shade of the highlighters on the packaging over here, and behind they have the pricing as well as the ingredients listed on the packaging. So if you guys would have been watching my videos, you would know by now that I absolutely love Makeup Revolution products, and I'm totally in love with most of their products. So I went ahead and bought this palette. So these highlighters are available individually as well. So when I came to know that they have all the 3 shades, or they have a palette for highlighters, I was very excited and I went ahead and I bought this palette. So this palette retails for around 1,750, but I got it on a discount for around 10 to 15% discount. This is also available on their website, on the Makeup Revolution website. However, I got this from jabong.com. It's also available in flipkart.com. They always have sales going on, so you can always get it on discounts, so no need to worry about that. So if you guys would have been watching, one of my favorite products out of makeup is lipsticks. I'm just obsessed with lipsticks, as you all know. So apart from that, the second thing which I'm obsessed about is highlight. I love to glow. I love highlighters which give me a nice healthy. So coming to the packaging, this is how it looks like. It comes in the standard packaging which all the Makeup Revolution palettes have. All their palettes, including their eyeshadows, their contour palette, all of them have similar packaging like this. It comes in a black shiny package. It has the name Makeup Revolution written on the packaging along with the variant as well. I feel the packaging is very classy. So the packaging looks very classy. Any packaging which has black and a rose gold or a gold embossment on it, I really think it's very classy. So the packaging is yay from my side. So when you open the product, this is how it looks like. It comes in 3 variants of the highlighters, which looks amazingly gorgeous, and it also comes with a plastic covering on it in order to protect it from break, in order to protect the palette. So then again, it comes with a huge mirror on this side, which I think is very useful. So it's very useful if you're doing your makeup. You can even use the mirror if you're doing your eyeshadow or makeup. So these highlighters, they do not have names written on it. It just says Radiance palette. So a brown. So the first shade is this one right here, which is a bronzy shade. So it is highly pigmented, as you guys can see. This is how the first shade looks like. It's a very nice, beautiful, bronzy kind of a highlight. So this highlighter is gonna suit from medium to dark skin tone. Because it is a bronzy kind of a highlight, it's not gonna suit much for the fairer beauties, but I'm sure you can use it as a bronzer rather than a highlighter. So the second shade is this one right here. So this is how the second shade looks like. It's a nice pearly white kind of a highlight, which looks really gorgeous. So this one right here is a pearly kind of a highlight, which is going to suit fair to medium skin tones. So it's it will give you a nice, beautiful within glow without looking, you know, overly like as if you put glitter on your skin or anything as such. These highlighters, they do not have any glitter. It's got a beautiful, it looks very natural on the skin. It doesn't look like as if you've put put any highlighter. So the glitters are very finely milled. The glitters, they do not look like glitter at all. It looks like a nice sheen, a glow which comes from within, and I'm sure we all love to glow. This is how the third shade looks like. This is somewhat similar to the second one, but this is a little bit lighter than this one. So again, it's gonna look really pretty on fairer to medium skin tones. I have the second shade on my cheeks right now. I'm sure you can see how glowy my face looks. It doesn't look like I've put any highlighter. It looks like, you know, glowing from within. So I'm really in love with this palette. So if you guys are looking for a nice highlighting palette, which is quite affordable also, because I feel individually, rather than buying this individually, if you have this in a palette, it's more affordable, and I'm sure you can get it in discounts rather than buying for a higher price. So according to me, this palette is really amazing. And if you guys are looking out for a great palette, you can either buy the Radiance palette, or there is one more variant of it which I'm not sure about the name, but they do have it. So I really love this palette, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.